Good morning, Miss Tidwell's fabulous first graders. How about some teaching time with Miss Tidwell? Let's take a look at our calendar. All right, so Friday, 158 days of school, and it was the first day of a new month. It was the first day of May, starting with a capital because it's the name of the month. So it was Friday, May 1st. So now we're back to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. After Saturday, Sunday. So what's after Sunday? Monday, 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 Monday. Hey, it's Marvelous Monday. So it is Monday, May, and it's not the first. That was Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. So if today is Monday, May 4th, May 4th be with you for all those Star Wars fans. All right, so we have 158 days of school when it was Friday, but 158 plus one more. Remember, plus one is the next number. So that would be 8, 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. That makes 9. The picture and the number have to match. 159 days of school. Remember, when the back number's odd, then the whole number's odd. If the back number's even, then the whole number's even. Look at that back number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Those are odd all the time. So 9 is an odd number. And I can count by tens, dear gentlemen. Oh, sorry. I can count by tens with numbers divine. I can count by tens, and I'll start with 9. 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99, 109, 119, 129, 139, 149, 159. 159 days of school. So if we want to write that in expanded notation or expanded form, remember, we're going to say 100 plus 50 plus 9. 100 plus 50 plus 9 equals what? 159. 159 days of school. Commutative property means you can add numbers in any order. The answer stays the same. So you could say 9 plus 100 plus what? 50. And it still equals 159. Or you could say 100 plus 9 plus 50 equals what? 159. We could say 9 plus 50 plus 100. 50 plus 100 plus 9. All of those are different ways to equal 159. 159 days of school. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Who can tell me? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? If we take a look. Whoop! Look at that sunshine coming in. It's a sunny day. We'll add that to our chart. Our weather chart. Remember, charts, graphs, tables give us what? Data. When we put our tally mark, whoop. If it's a group of 5, remember, karate chop, we call it 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. 114 sunny days. Tell someone some piece of data from our chart. Information. Excellent. All right, for today, my lovelies, I want to share with you with your Seesaw account for today. We're going to go back to a little review of fractions. Just a small review of fractions. So I've created this, pretend please, pizza. Now, with the pizza that I made, these two pieces, all the pizza has cheese, 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 cheese. But at my house, Hannah likes meatball. There's meatball, there's meatball. So here's meatball, meatball for Hannah. Hannah says, thanks guys for getting me the meatball pizza. I like meatball. And right here, Mr. Joe likes the peppers on his. You see the green peppers? So these pieces right here are for Mr. Joe with his peppers. He says, thanks, I like my peppers on my pizza. And Emma and I, we both like the pepperoni. So here's for Emma and Miss Tidwell. So if we're taking a look at the different slices of pizza that's on the different slices of toppings that's on the pizza, we can be able to put that in fractional parts. Remember, the number on top tells you the part, the number on bottom tells you how many are in the whole thing. So if I looked at these that are for meatballs that Hannah likes, how many have just meatball? 1, 2, 2. So 2 have meatball, bloop, but there's how many in the whole thing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are in the whole thing. So we can say that if there's 2 with meatball, 8 are in the whole thing, then it shows 2/8. Okay, look at Mr. Joe's. How many have the peppers? 1, 2, 3. 3 have peppers, but we said there's how many in the whole thing? 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. So how much has peppers? 3/8. Because 3 has pepper, 8 are in the whole thing. 3/8. All right, what about the kind that Emma and I like with just pepperoni? 1, 2, 3. 3 have pepperoni. And how many are in the whole thing? Oh yeah, we said 8, 8, 8. 8 are in the whole thing. So we can say that the pepperoni is 3/8. 3 pieces have pepperoni, 8 are in the whole thing. So 3/8 have pepperoni, 3/8 have peppers, 2/8 have just meatball. So we're still looking at fractions a little bit more for the next couple of days for our Seesaw account, but keeping in mind, just adding a little bit more knowledge to what we know about what we've been working on. I'm going to go back to the story again with the brownies. Okay, so I'm making my tray of brownies. And when I make my tray of brownies, pretend like they're all the same size. I'm trying to make a good cut. And just keeping in mind that when you're looking at fractional parts, it's supposed to be a fair share. A fair share. So every piece is supposed to be the same size. I know this one looks a teeny bit different, but just pretend. All right, so if we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 plus 4 more makes 8, plus 4 more, 12, plus 4 more, 16, plus 4 more, 20. So there's 20 pieces in the whole thing. So if we made brownies and Emma said, they're so delicious, I can't help myself. I have to eat this many brownies. How many brownies did she just eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She ate 5 brownies. But there's how many in the whole thing? 20. So Emma has had 5/20ths of the brownies. She had 5 pieces, but there's 20 in the whole thing. And then let's say that Hannah finished her dinner. She's ready for some dessert, but she got kind of full, so she only wants those. Hannah's going to eat those too. So now how much did Hannah have? She had 2 brownies, but there are how many in the whole thing? 20. So we can say that Hannah had 2/20ths of the brownies. 2 pieces, but there's 20 in the whole thing. Now, Miss Tidwell says, I ate my dinner. I'm ready for some dessert. And Miss Tidwell has here. How many brownies have I had? 1, 2, 3, 4. I just had 4 pieces, but how many are in the whole thing? 20. I ate 4/20ths of the brownies. And Mr. Joe, he said, I'm full. I don't want any. So we're going to leave it at this, and we'll just pick on it for tomorrow. How many pieces are left in my tray of brownies? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 pieces left. 9. But there were how many in the whole thing? 20. So there are 9/20ths of the brownies left. So we're just going to take a look at a little bit more of fractional parts for the next couple of days in your Seesaw account. Keep that in mind with some of the assignments that you see. And if you have more questions, come back and look at our video. I miss you. Hope to see you soon. Bye, my first graders.